Hold on, Shatori. Oh, do you need a translator?
Hello.
We got one for alcohol, Judge, and then the other one for THC. He does admit to the alcohol consumption at a party. As far as the THC,
Is it on docket today or no?
order to come here, Judge. And I let the court know that we were going to be here today. Do you need a case number?
No, I got it right here. I have to spin.
So he had started PTI in May, the 1-year PTI. As far as the THC violation, he alleges he went to a Grinders coffee bar that serves coffee with CBD. He says that's the only thing that
Do
he's
you
had.
really think that we're supposed to believe that? You were in a great, you were in a great program now that if you complete it, you don't end up with a conviction on your record. And I'm going to tell you that when you get a DWI on your record, it will completely mess with you for your entire life. Not to mention how much it will cost you, because you will end up paying around $4,000 to $5,000 in fines, fees, and surcharges. Not to mention the jail time. If you ever consume anything again, I will put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You in this country with or without permission?
With permission.
Joe, is this right?
Seeking political asylum, Judge.
He's seeking.
Yes, sir.
You are not in this country with permission. If you go to jail, you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration. Do you understand the gravity of that? That you will be stuck in custody until the case is over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration where you'll sit for another 6 to 9 months. I'm sending you now for a drug test because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. I am also now ordering you to put a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. This tests alcohol through your perspiration. I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is. If you ever test positive, and if it's even mouthwash, if it's a tequila lollipop, hair dye, whatever it may be, you're out, and I will immediately set you for trial. Do you understand? You will also be you will be tested for marijuana 40 days from today. If you test positive again, you are out. I don't care what your excuse is. It makes excuses to me are nothing. Do you understand?
Sir.
Anything else that he's behind?
No, they're just gonna have to do IOP for the violation.
So you now have to do what's called intensive outpatient treatment program.
No internado.
El mismo día que fui a visitar al oficial, yo ese mismo día me inscribí a la clase.
I already registered for the class that same day. I went to see the officer.
Good. I want to know that you've registered for the class. I don't want to see it. I have other people that will look to make sure that you are doing the right class. The only thing I am imparting to you is that if you ever fail me again, and I don't care if you have Jesus here with you representing you ever test positive again for anything, I will light you up like a Christmas tree. Do you understand? We will send you now for a test, and then we'll see what the results are, and we'll go from there. Okay, Joe? You are, is it Enyahi Chukukiri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We brought you out. Your lawyer's asking me to set you a bond. I don't know, though. I don't know much about you. I mean, I don't know anything about you. All I know is that you're wanted here from another state. You were arrested here in Houston. So we have to figure out everything about you in the short little time that we have. So bear with us while we get to know you real quick, and then we'll see whether that we should give you a bond or not. Okay, tell us about it.
Judge, he's one out of Florida for battery by strangulation.
Shh.
The jurisdiction there, and he doesn't show any other history except for some traffic infractions. They requested that we hold him no bond in our jurisdiction, but he is eligible for bond at their jurisdiction only upon return for 25,000 or 25,000.
What's your position?
State's not opposed to a bond, but I am opposed to a low bond. It looks like he has had this warrant since July, but it's not an FTA bond. But the fact that it's been out so long and that he might have some indication that this warrant was coming, the strangulation of a partner, and it's a domestic. And so the state's requesting $10,000 to commit sufficient bail for him to return.
Judge, defendant resides here in Harris County. He's domiciled here in Harris County. He's an engineer by profession. I know him very well, and he's a US citizen. He's not going to pay a flight risk. He relocated and he works here. He lives in Katy. He has a house and everything. So this came as a surprise to him. As a matter of fact, he's not even seeing you because I have his glasses in my pocket. He's not comprehending what is happening. No? He can see.
Can he have his glasses or no?
Because when they took him, he fell off. So nobody knew. He can see. He's just guilty. But I know him very well. So.
Your Honor, they can get their glasses. They have to see the optometrist. They have to see the eye doctor there at the jail. They can do that if they already have a pair.
So we can't give him.
No.
So he can't read. So that's where we are. I told them that. So he had an issue with his ex, and he working.
You know, I got to tell you, Mr. Noli, that lately, Mr. Kim here hasn't agreed to many bonds at all, quite frankly. He's okay with a $10,000 bond now. What's your position on that?
Well, 10,000 is not so much, but if we can make it 5,000, that would be more reasonable to me.
Well, 5,000 is normally what we do on a felony case here, and the other thing is that this is a fugitive case, so it makes it a lot more.
Judge, your discretion is fine with me.
Here's the thing. You have to understand that you are an inherent flight risk because it is a fugitive case. So the usual and customary 10 to 20% will not apply to you. When you have a fugitive case and we set a bond, typically bonding companies will want a significant portion of that bond, if not all. So if we set you a bond now, you'll probably have to put a good amount of that, if not all of it, toward the bond for you to be released. Has he waived already?
Yes, he waived.
So the thing is this, is that you've waived. What we do is we give Florida 2 weeks to come get you. If they don't come get you within that time, Harris County releases you. If you want me to set the bond, you have to withdraw your waiver and you lose that time that you've accrued now, which is now what, 2 to 3 days.
That's what.
For them to come get you.
That's what we want. We're going to withdraw it.
Sorry?
He's going to withdraw his
I mean,
waiver.
what I'm saying is I'm going to set your bond at $7,500.
That's
Okay.
fine.
If you want to make it, you'll probably have to put all that money up.
I will pay it today. I will pay for him.
Oh, okay. It's up to you guys, but understand that you will withdraw your waiver. You will lose that time versus using that money to hire a lawyer in Florida. I don't know what kind of money you have, but just that's one of the considerations you need to make. If you want, we'll set the bond for you. It'll be $7,500. The idea is that once you post that bond, we give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself into the demanding jurisdiction, into Florida, specifically where?
Orange County, I believe.
We give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself into Orange County. You know that actions have consequences. And if you fail to go turn yourself in, or if you fail to go post bond in that jurisdiction, I'm going to revoke this bond. Now we'll set it to 0. I will not give you another one. This is the only opportunity you will have here to go do what you need to do. You won't get another one. Do you understand? Okay. I don't need you to make the decision right now in front of us. You guys talk if you still want to do it. I'll set the bond.
I understand, I'm doing it.
You want to still want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, so set the bond at $7,500.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Norton.
Thank you, Judge.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Mr. Bossi was asked to get a job by this court. He's doing everything possible. He showed me pictures. He's applied to like 60 places. Nobody's getting back to him.
come up, Mr. Bassi. Is he here?
How you doing, Donna?
What have you done to get a job, Mr. Bassi?
Put in notifications.
Show me.
Going left. Okay. May I approach the bench, Your Honor?
Sure.
Everything here to here is job
Good job. So what happened? How come you? Have you ever called them back to say, hey, man, what have you done with my application? Sometimes you got to call 2, 3 times, just bother the crap out of them until they give you the job. I can't tell you how many times I've done that. Have you gone to Starbucks or Amazon?
I went to Starbucks, but everybody told me to put it online. You gotta go online.
Go to Starbucks, try Amazon. They hire like crazy. They're always hiring, and they pay you like 17 to 20 bucks an hour. Try that. Good job. I'm glad that you're trying it. I mean, keep it up. I mean, really, just at some point you'll get it, but start with lofty goals. Don't start down here. You know, Domino's, which is nothing against Domino's, but right. Some places pay like great, and you can really work your way up. Amazon, go to Starbucks. I'm telling you, these places, they kill it with how they treat their employees. All right, good job. We'll give you time. All right.
One more quick thing, Your Honor.
Tell me. You got it. Good job, Mr. Bassett. Keep it up.
Ms. Barriga, that I approached on before,
Uh-huh.
she's told she has to come in for drug testing Mondays and Thursdays.
Yes.
She's about to lose her job, as you can understand. She needs to tell her employer how long this is gonna last for. Do you know?
No, I want to make sure that she's not using.
Yes, Your Honor. Have you seen?
Got it.